And welcome into the ballpark. Happy to have you with us. AAA baseball on MLB The Show. It's the Scranton Wilkes-Barre Rail Riders taking on the Columbus Clippers. All right, we'll be back to get this one started after this. Just a little bit away from first pitch. Getting the nod on the mound, Parker Messick. Safe to say he's pretty stingy, Chris.
Well, he's been a real quality starter for his club. And coming into this one, what stands out for me is that right-handed hitters have really struggled batting below 200 on the year. It seems that they have a hard time picking up his release point and tracking the ball into the zone. So we'll see how right-handers do against him in this one.
Step off throw to first, and he dives back in safely. Next offering is in for a strike. And a weak ground ball to the left side. Tosses to first, 2 away.
Batting fourth, the third baseman, Tyler Hartman.
So here's Brown at the plate. 0 for 1. He grounded out in his first at bat. So RBI spot, but Chris, this is a guy that is not really swinging the bat all that well here.
In this situation, you have a real good opportunity to get swings and misses and record a strikeout. I think you attack him in this spot.
The lefty to 1-0.
Ball down.
There's a swing and a miss.
As a hitter, you got to learn something from that pitch. He clearly wasn't timed up on the fastball. In a 2-0 count, you have to be ready to do damage.
Got him swinging.
Oh, really went aggressive in with that.
And here is Catfish Brown.
Catfish Brown.
Gets under it and pops it up. That one gets down for a hit, but no throw, and they'll have runners at the corners with 1 out.
Now batting, the third baseman.
Runners on the corners with 1 gone. Now Tyler Hartman, 1 for 2. Defoe, the runner at third. Brown over at first with 1 away. Waves at the bender for the strikeout.
Man, I really like the ability to bounce back right there after not getting a call he probably should have gotten. He didn't let it affect his focus, and he came back with another good pitch to get him swinging.
Runner takes off, and that one ripped to left. Puts the squeeze on it, and that is that. 2 left on. New inning getting started. Now it's the DH, Catfish Brown.
Catfish Brown.
And a pitch. Called strike right there. And it's 1-1.
That's a ball.
Outside.
1 strike.
Late swing, foul to the left.
Let's go, kid. One time right here.
The next pitch misses, and the count's full. Swing and a miss. Struck him out. Couldn't catch up to the heater. First and second, 2 down. Now here is Catfish Brown. Next pitch is popped up. Delgado moving under this one. And puts the squeeze on that one. And that's the inning. A couple of runs in the inning puts them ahead. Last half of the 8th coming up. The Rail Riders.
Well, a real nice performance out of the pen. This guy is not the one who usually gets the final out, but extended his role a little bit and helped his team get the win. He got the save. Nice job.
8-3 the final in this one for Chris Singleton. From inside the booth at Highland Park, the show has AAA baseball for you. It's the Scranton Wilkes-Barre Rail Riders taking on the Columbus Clippers. First pitch coming at. Just about to get underway. And today's starting pitcher, Zach Plesac. Singy, he's managed to rack up a lot of innings on the mound this season.
And Boog, this guy's getting close to 200 innings on the year. You know, there's some milestones that pitchers go after. One of them 20 wins. But another one that we don't talk about a whole lot is that 200 inning threshold. To be able to surpass that says that, hey, they prepared themselves for the season. They were able to stay healthy, and they were able to pitch effectively enough to stay in ball games long enough to reach that number. Pretty impressive on what he's done, and it's not over yet.
Chaparro takes it himself, and a quick out, number 1. Petey Halpin now at the plate. He's someone that you might not describe as having elite level speed, but he can absolutely move, and it is a factor in his game. There's a strike.
Boog, this guy's definitely a plus runner, but what I love about him is that he goes all out every single time, never takes a break. It's guys like that, even though they don't have the elite speed, the fact that they're consistent with it, they make moves on the base paths.
0-2 now. Out to short. Sweeney on the run. Throw to first. Awesome play there.
Batting third, the first baseman.
And now the first baseman, Bryce Ball.
Here we go, fellas. Let's go.
To the right side. Takes it himself. And that ends the inning. End of 1. And we're still scoreless. Back here at the ballpark, we head to the bottom of the 2nd, and now David Fry. Brown back to work. That's in there. Strike 1. And a strike in there.
Love how vocal the umpire is today. No doubt in the hitter's mind, catcher's mind, and even the pitcher's mind as to the conviction in the call.
The punch out there, and that's the first out.
Well, that at bat seemed to be over as soon as it started. 3-pitch strikeout. You've got to be better at the plate right there, at least to foul something off, extend that at bat.
Here's a speed threat, Oscar Gonzalez. First pitch doesn't find the zone. 0-0 here in the bottom of the 2nd. Next offering is in for a strike.
Hey, just you and him. You and yourself. Let's go.
He goes down looking.
Well, really nice job of finishing the hitter off right there. Glove side command, fastball firm to the outside corner. Tell you what, very difficult to do anything with that pitch, even if you do swing.
Stepping in, number 37. The wind and the pitch. And he hits a ground ball right side. Slings to first. That ends the frame. Nothing doing for the offense that time. We played 2 full. We're tied 0-0. Bottom of the inning, and now it's the switch hitting second baseman, Raynel Delgado. Delgado measures 6 feet 2 inches, hitting 7th in today's lineup, and he was a 6th round draft pick back in 2018. Here comes the 0-1. That catches the corner. Got him. And there's one down.
Well, that was a pretty poor at bat. He just never got the bat off the shoulder. I mean, you got to go up there looking to swing at some point, especially once you're down 0-2. And at that point, make an adjustment, look to put the ball in play if it's anywhere close. And I'm just not sure what the plan was there.
Next to hit, Marcos Gonzalez. First pitch, not close. Swing and a bouncer. Chaparro. He steps on the bag, and 2 straight set down to begin the bottom of the 3rd.
The catcher,
Brian Lavastida, the next to hit. That one the other way, and foul ball. Lavastida will handle the catching duties in this one. 24 years old, and he's been on a good run at the plate, hitting over 300 in his last 10 games.
Not a swing you want to watch again.
Bounce to the left side. Sweeney. Jump throw. Safe at first, and an infield single keeps the inning going.
The effort was there with the jump throw. You gotta love it, but it just wasn't in time. Still a really impressive play just to get to that ball and make it close at first. And not every shortstop could even make that play.
Makes the grab on the run. And that's the 3rd out. No runs, 1 hit, no errors, and a man left. On to inning number 4. We're tied 0-0. Welcome back. Now here is Petey Halpin.
the center fielder, Petey
Brown back to work.
Well, after putting up a nice inning on offense, got some runs across, this is where you look for the starter to go out there, have a shutdown inning. Don't give that other team any hope. You just hope that he can get through this inning, get the bats back up there while they're hot.
And a bunt towards third.
No outs now.
That's off the mark. Now 2 balls and a strike. Righty delivers. In the dirt. Tosses to first. And 1 gone in the 4th as they get the leadoff man.
No, there's a small sigh of relief right there. I mean, just to keep that speed off the base paths. It's not just the pitcher. It's other guys that have to think about it. From your infielders have to think about that runner potentially stealing, but also be in position to make a play. As an outfielder, you're thinking about a base hit to the outfield. I got to get to it quickly to try to keep this guy from taking an extra base. So I think everyone just a little more relaxed that he didn't reach base.
Zips it to first. Awesome play there. Man, Chris, a jump throw like that is certainly worthy of the StatCast treatment. Let's see what the numbers have to say about it.
Yeah, these are some favorable numbers, Boog. This is the type of play that showcases his arm strength. I mean, he made it look easy, but I promise you, that's not a throw every shortstop can make, especially with that much behind it.
No runs, no hits, no errors. On to the top of the 5th we go. The Rail Riders on top 3-0. And welcome back. And stepping in is the speedy Oscar Gonzalez. Here comes a pitch. That just misses. 1-0.
Hey, we got nobody.
There's the strike.
He's been able to go inside as well as outside, effectively working both sides of the plate in this at bat.
Swing and a ball popped up. Defoe makes the grab, one down.
The batter, the right fielder, Electric.
Now it's the right fielder, number 37. 0 for 1 so far. In there for strike one. Popped up right side.
Take it.
Makes the grab for the second out. Now it's the second baseman, Raynel Delgado. He was a strikeout victim his first time. Going one.
0-1's the count.
Here we go, boys.
Foul ball there.
Now this offense has just been locked down. Almost 5 full innings of shutout baseball.
The 0-2.
Ball, that's out.
And a ball evens the count.
It's a good take.
And down on strikes. And good work there as he gets a 1-2-3. He continues to roll on the mound as 5 shutout innings are in the books. We're through 5. The Rail Riders. Bottom of the 6th inning. And now Marcos Gonzalez. Brown back to work. Line drive. And that's down, a base hit.
Only 2 hits allowed so far tonight, Boog, so I don't think that one will disrupt his momentum all that much. You know, he's really been on top of his game, commanding his pitches all night long.
No outs now.
Lavastida in the box now. No balls and a strike. They say you win.
No ball, 2 strikes.
Righty to the plate. Swing and a miss, struck him out. Khalil Watson getting ready to hit.
Shortstop.
Now, these guys definitely looking for a big swing of the bat right here. Try to close that gap. But, you know, at the very least, if you could find a way to manufacture that run from first, it feels like it's really important to getting back into this ball game.
And that one wrapped foul. Gonzalez at first, one gone. Swings and misses. Now 1-2. Got him. Back-to-back strikeouts.
Well, interesting. He's looking very comfortable out of the stretch after giving up the leadoff single. Back-to-back strikeouts, so they haven't been able to move that runner up, get him into scoring position, and try to have a better chance of scoring. I tell you, good job so far on the mound. He just needs one more out.
Halpin up for the 3rd time here. Watches that one miss.
Here we go, boys.
Next offering is in for a strike.
Well, this looks like it's going to be a wasted opportunity. It's frustrating when you get the leadoff man on, but you can't get him into scoring position. They're going to need a big knock. Try to put something up on the board.
Ground ball right side. And a 1-2. Good eye right there.
Really good take, especially with 2 strikes.
And right back to the mound. The throw to first, and that is the inning. So 1 hit is all they get. 7th inning coming up. The Rail Riders have the lead, 4-0. Back here at the ballpark, and here's the first baseman, Bryce Ball. The Clippers in striking distance, but have some work to do.
Boog, it starts with the leadoff man. I need a good at bat out of him right here.
And that one just misses. A ball and no strikes. And a strike on the outside edge.
In this situation, you expect the batters to be a little more patient, possibly take until they get a strike. With that, you don't want to miss your opportunity to get ahead early in the count. He didn't right there.
Next offering misses. 2-1.
This hitter's looking for a fastball, but I'm not sure he's going to get one. Pitcher doesn't have to challenge him. If he feels better about his off-speed secondary stuff, then stay with it.
Three-two. Spoils the 2-strike pitch, and he'll see another. On the ground right side, and that squirts through. Takes the turn. He's digging for second. To second, and he's safe.
Turned on it nicely. Definitely a little out in front of the pitch, but he didn't hook around it too much and was able to keep it fair down the line.
So a man aboard. And the batter now, David Fry. Popped up.
Got it. I got it.
One down.
Now batting the designated hitter.
And next is the designated hitter, Oscar Gonzalez.
These fans, they are ready to cheer about something.
Hey, leave those guys out there, huh?
0-1. In the air, left field. Calhoun settles underneath it, and he makes the catch. And there's 2 away. Number 37 will hit next.
Right fielder, Alexei.
And the first pitch misses for ball 1. Ball on its second with 2 down. Late that time, and it's strike 2.
Man, he was really tardy on that fastball. Great job of setting him up by throwing the curveball. Add some velocity to it on the next pitch. Can't catch up.
On the ground right side, and that's just foul. The 1-2. Keeps the at-bat going with a foul ball.
Well, he's having a tough time getting a pitch by him. As a hitter, you feel pretty confident that you're seeing different pitches still able to make some type of contact.
Just off the outside part of the plate. Up the middle. Now the throw to first on the run. Play made, that ends the inning. Starting to run out of outs as they're unable to chip away. We look ahead to inning number 8. The Rail Riders have the advantage 4-0. Ready for the bottom of the 8th. Now it's going to be Raynel Delgado. The pitch. There's a strike. Brown still out there to pitch the 8th and working with a big lead.
He's been excellent, really on his game in this one, and at this point he wants to finish what he started.
That's to third. 1 up, 1 down.
Well, he's doing a nice job of keeping the ball out of the air, lets the defense work behind him with another ground ball. Good execution.
Marcos Gonzalez now at the plate. 1 for 2. Line drive, base hit. So they get a man aboard with a 1-out single.
Oh, that started and ended pretty quickly. No messing around right there. That's a good sound coming off the bat, man. And as he connected out front and ripped it into the outfield, that's one of those swings where you just don't even feel the ball hit the barrel. That's a...
Defoe makes the grab, and there's 2 gone. And the batter now, Khalil Watson. Lifted in the air down the left side, and he can't quite get there. It's a foul ball. The 0-1. way out front for strike 2.
Hey now, we got 2.
Swing and a miss, and he struck him out. Inning over. 1 hit, 1 left. 9th inning coming up. The Rail Riders with the lead 4-0. Welcome back. So bottom of the 9th, and now the center fielder, Petey Halpin. Brown back to work. That's in for a strike.
Yeah, let's go right here.
Swing and a miss.
Hey, we got no outs.
The wind of the pitch. And now 1-2.
Rarely will you see a pitcher just waste a pitch like that. The batter wasn't even tempted to swing. Every pitch needs to have a purpose so that it can set up a following pitch to help you get that out.
Fights that one away. Still 1-2. On the ground, right side. Whips it to first. 1 out, bottom of the 9th. So up next, Bryce Ball. 1 for 3. That one finds the corner. That's strike 1. Just missed. Next pitch off the plate. Ball 2. Hard hit left side. Throws to first. Now only 1 out remaining. So it's their last chance in this one. Here's the third baseman, David Fry. That one's in there, 0-1.
Now this manager knows that his players are just trying to do too much. Everybody needs to just take a deep breath, relax, and let it naturally happen.
That one misses. 1 ball, 1 strike. The 1-1 is fouled off. And a base hit up the middle. And that extends the inning.
Good 2-strike hitting right there, Boog. A bit of a lost start for some, so that was nicely done to beat the odds. I could watch base hits like that one all day long, and so could every hitting coach in the league. Just a nice line drive into center field.
And now here is Oscar Gonzalez. In there, and it's 0-1. And it's fouled away. Fry off of first with 2 away. Going to count 1-2.
2 strikes.
And a swing and a miss, and that is the ball game.
Well, you win this one 4-0, and it feels like you could have exploded for more offensively, but you also realize that at times it was hard to score. So you get out of here feeling good about this win. Ultimately, there was great pitching and defense to keep that other team off the board. You always feel good about a win like this.
And welcome in, everybody. Glad you're with us. AAA action coming at you on the show. It's the Scranton Wilkes-Barre Rail Riders taking on the Columbus Clippers. First pitch coming your way next. Just about set to go now. And today's starter, Adam Scott. Chris, you don't have to dig too deep into the numbers to see how good he's been.
Oh, he's been nearly untouchable. Kind of a silent assassin out there. Just goes to work, and guys look up it's deep into the ball game, and they haven't been able to scratch anything off of this guy. So look for him to do the same thing today. Maybe go the distance, maybe hand it over to the bullpen at the end and try to get that W.
No outs, runners at first and second. And he's down 0-2 as he swings through it.
Well, he knows they don't want to give him anything to hit, but when you've got opportunities to drive in runs, you've got to expand the zone. He's capable of going out there and doing damage with it.
Hey, get the pitch and drive it, huh? Lasers all day.
Back to the mound. Tosses to first. One out in the top of the first.
Batting fourth, the third baseman, Tyler Hardman.
So here's Brown at the plate. Grounded out his first time.
Catfish. Brown.
Come on, let it fly right here.
That one
Ball
not
one, no
close.
strike.
And that is ball one. And a foul ball.
Your pitch, huh?
The lefty ready, and a 1-1. He swings and fouls one off. And now it's 1-2. And that misses off the outside edge. Fouled off the plate. They'll do it again. And now the lefty up the middle. Whips it to first on the run. Throw not in time, and he's safe.
Did a nice job getting there. Good throw, but very difficult to get anybody on that one as far as you had to go and throw. You know?
Yeah, no question. Man at first. Tyler Hardman digs in now. Singled and drove in a run his first time through. Hardman goes 6 feet 3 inches, 23 years old, and he was a 5th round pick in 2021. Runner on the go. Throw to second, out at second. That ends the inning.
Well, trying to get into scoring position, but a great catch and throw to end the inning. That's the way to pick up the pitcher.
So now here's the DH, Catfish Brown.
Catfish.
Not the easiest thing when you're talking about a guy that's, perhaps is going to be in the rotation, maybe a long relief guy, to not start an inning, to come into an inning with pressure on it and try to get yourself comfortable. He's looking for a strikeout or a ball on the ground for a double play to sort of calm this situation down.
The 0-1. Foul ball. The 0-2. Caught him looking for the K.
Well, that's a pitch, that slider from an opposite-handed pitcher that you usually see very well, but for some reason he didn't pick it up.
And welcome back. And now the DH, Catfish Brown.
Catfish. Brown.
And the pitch. And that one missing low. Line drive, base hit.
Multi-hit game for him now, and with the lack of results he's been having lately, I'm sure he's feeling some relief. That was a thing of beauty. He may have been a little behind the pitch, but by getting that barrel into the hitting zone early on in his swing, he was able to meet it and still shoot a line drive down the line and left.
Goes down swinging for the strikeout. Couldn't catch up to the heater.
Well, they didn't get the call on the mound the pitch before. Felt like he should have had him looking, I think. But, that's good composure right there. He found a way to come back with another good pitch to get him to swing and miss.
Brown, the base runner at first with one out. Swings through it, and that's a strikeout.
He came out of his mechanics there. Typically likes to shoot the ball the other way, but that time, a little anxious.
So 2 down. Spencer Jones, the next to hit. He's already homered in this game. Pickoff throw, and he's back safely. Runner on the go. Look out, way inside. No throw, safe at second. Two outs and one in scoring position. And he walked him.
Pretty easy walk right there. Last pitch wasn't even much to think about.
Now batting.
So first and second with 2 outs. And now the right fielder, number 16. Got him looking. That's a strikeout. So it's no runs on a hit, no errors, and 2 are left. Last half of the 8th coming up. The Rail Riders out front 4-0.
Well, you win this one 4-0, and it feels like you could have exploded for more offensively, but you also realize that at times it was hard to score. So you get out of here feeling good about this win. Ultimately, there was great pitching and defense to keep that other team off the board. You always feel good about a win like this.
A 4-0 shutout in this one. For Chris Singleton and our entire outstanding crew here at MLB The Show, I'm John Shambi. Thanks for joining us.
First for the victorious.